Hello all, I'm Harish. I'm a third year undergraduate in IITM Madras. So we are team Raftaar. We started off in 2011 as a Formula student team building combustion race cars. We have been one of the best teams both in India and international stages. 2020 we were the champions of India, and in the pandemic we thought we have to go for a green sustainability shift, and then we thought let's build electric race cars. And we've built our first electric race car this year 2023, where we have placed third in the competition that we participated in January in national level. And our aim is to take this car to the international competition this summer, and this car can go from 0 to 104 seconds, a top speed of about 150 kmph. When everyone says the shift to electric, it's because it's better for the climate. Not just it's better for the climate, it's also like better in performance, and that's what we believe in. And the primary thing what we aim at is to evolve into an automotive platform, not just like build race cars, but the technology that we develop in racing is like most optimized version of automotive technology, and we want that to be implemented in the passenger markets. And that's how where we come in. We connect the academia and the industry to like get the research problems that we are solving to see the market. You can Google up Raftaar Formula Racing. We have a website and we can connect during the training session. Thanks a lot.